We begin with the major breakthrough in the high-profile murder case of Chandranath Rath, who was the personal assistant of senior West Bengal political leader Suvendu Adhikari. The investigation has now intensified, with Bengal police detained 3 individuals from Uttar Pradesh and Bihar as the probe expanded across state boundaries. The case related to the killing of Chandranath Rath in the Madhyamgram area of North 24 Pragnas district in West Bengal. He was reportedly shot dead near his residence in a late-night attack that shocked political and administrative circles in the state. Initial investigation suggests that the incident was targeted and pre-planned, with suspicions of involvement of hired shooters and a coordinated executive strategy. In the latest development, police teams have detained 3 suspects from Uttar Pradesh and Bihar's Buxar region. According to investigation sources, technical surveillance, mobile phone data analysis, and coordinated interstate tracking helped authorities intensify and locate the suspects outside West Bengal. The detained individuals are currently being interrogated to determine their exact role in the conspiracy, including whether they were involved in planning, logistics, or execution support. Officials believe that the murder may not have been an isolated incident but part of a larger organized criminal conspiracy. Early findings indicate that the possible involvement of hired shooters, advanced recce of the victims' movements, and coordinations across multiple states. Investigators are also probing whether the accused entered West Bengal specifically to carry out the attack and left the state immediately afterwards. Following these detentions, Bengal police have further intensified their investigation. The Special Investigation Team, along with CID support, is now examining mobile call records, digital footprints, and financial transactions linked to the suspect. Authorities are also mapping travel routes and communication patterns to identify other possible links in the network. The investigation has widened significantly, suggesting that more arrests or detentions could follow in the coming days. The case continues to remain highly sensitive due to its political association, as the victim was a close aide of the senior opposition leader. However, officials have maintained that the investigation is being conducted strictly from a criminal perspective at this stage, with no confirmed political angle established so far. Authorities have assured that all possible leads are being thoroughly examined to ensure a fair and transparent investigation. Security experts note that the case highlights the growing challenge of interstate criminal network, where planning, execution, and escape routes often span multiple states. Modern investigations increasingly rely on digital evidence, financial trial analysis, and inter-agency coordinations to crack such cases. To summarize, the detention of 3 individuals from Uttar Pradesh and Bihar marks an important development in this Suvendu Adhikari's PA murder case. However, investigators emphasize that the probe is still ongoing, with several layers of conspiracy yet to be uncovered. The focus now remains on identifying the mastermind and establishing the full chain of events behind the killing. We will continue to follow this developing story and bring you the latest updates as the investigation progresses. Stay tuned with us. Do like, comment, and subscribe our channel.